Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, your go-to channel for the best cameras and travel gear. Today, we're exploring the top 11 best budget travel cameras that deliver amazing image quality without breaking the bank. Whether you're exploring mountains, beaches, or city streets, these cameras are compact, lightweight, and perfect for capturing unforgettable moments. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. "64-megapixel compact travel camera." The 64-megapixel compact travel camera is ideal for travelers who want ultra-high-resolution photos in a pocket-sized device. I love how it captures incredible detail, making every shot look professional. Its compact design fits easily in a bag or pocket, perfect for on-the-go photography. The camera offers fast autofocus, ensuring sharp shots even in challenging conditions. It also supports 4K video recording, so I can capture both photos and videos seamlessly. The battery lasts long enough for a full day of shooting. For anyone seeking a high-quality, portable camera without overspending, this 64-megapixel compact camera delivers excellent value and performance. 4K Travel Digital Camera. The 4K Travel Digital Camera is perfect for anyone who wants professional quality footage while traveling. I love how compact and lightweight it is, making it easy to carry on hikes, city tours, or weekend getaways. The 4K video resolution delivers crisp, clear recordings, while the built-in stabilization ensures smooth footage even while moving. Photos are vibrant and detailed, capturing landscapes and portraits beautifully. The user-friendly interface makes shooting simple, even for beginners. Battery life is impressive, allowing multiple sessions without frequent recharging. For anyone looking for a versatile, high-quality camera for adventures without spending a fortune, this 4K travel camera is a top choice. 56MP 4K Travel Camera. The 56MP 4K travel camera balances high-resolution photos with smooth 4K video recording. I love how sharp and detailed the images are, capturing landscapes, portraits, and street scenes beautifully. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry everywhere. The intuitive controls let me adjust settings quickly, perfect for spontaneous shots. Battery life is long enough for extended trips, and the built-in stabilization keeps video steady. Whether shooting stills or video, this camera delivers impressive quality at an affordable price. For anyone wanting professional-looking content on a budget, the 56MP 4K travel camera is a reliable and versatile option. Yatao Travel Vlogging Camera. The Yatao Travel Vlogging Camera is a must-have for content creators on the move. I love its 4K video capabilities and clear, vibrant images that make my vlogs look professional. The flip-out screen is perfect for selfies and framing shots while traveling. Its lightweight design makes carrying it all day effortless. Built-in stabilization ensures smooth footage even while walking or biking. The battery lasts long enough for multiple vlogging sessions, and it's easy to charge on the go. Whether documenting adventures or creating travel content, this camera is perfect for vloggers seeking quality, portability, and convenience in one device. 80MP 5K Travel Camera. The 80MP 5K travel camera is designed for photographers who demand ultra-high-resolution photos without the bulk. I love how detailed the images are. Every shot captures stunning textures and colors. 5K video recording delivers sharp, cinematic footage for travel videos. Its compact design makes it easy to carry on hikes, road trips, and city explorations. Fast autofocus ensures sharp shots even with moving subjects. The battery lasts for several hours, ideal for a full day of photography. For travelers looking for premium quality and a budget-friendly camera, the 80MP 5K travel camera provides professional-level results in a compact package. Adventure 4K Travel Camera. Adventure 4K Travel Camera is built for travelers who want rugged, high-quality imaging on the go. I love the durable, lightweight design that survives outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and sightseeing. The 4K video recording captures every adventure in stunning detail, while photos remain crisp and vibrant. Built-in stabilization ensures smooth video even on the move. The intuitive controls make capturing moments effortless, and the long-lasting battery supports multiple adventures in one day. For anyone seeking a reliable, versatile travel camera without spending too much, this Adventure 4K camera is perfect for capturing memories anytime, anywhere. 96MP 5K Travel Camera. The 96MP 5K travel camera delivers incredible image quality with ultra-high resolution photos and 5K video recording. I'm amazed at the clarity and detail, perfect for landscapes, cityscapes, and portraits. Its compact design is ideal for traveling light. The camera is easy to operate, even for beginners, and autofocus is fast and accurate. Battery life allows for extended shooting sessions, and built-in stabilization keeps videos steady. Whether I'm capturing everyday moments or special trips, this camera produces professional results. For anyone wanting a high-resolution, budget-friendly travel camera, the 96MP 5K option is a fantastic investment for sharp, cinematic content. Minolta Slim Travel Camera. Minolta Slim Travel Camera combines sleek portability with impressive image quality. I love how thin and lightweight it is, perfect for slipping into a backpack or pocket. The photos are sharp and detailed, and 4K video recording ensures clear, smooth footage. Easy controls let me capture spontaneous moments without hassle. Battery life supports several hours of continuous shooting, making it ideal for day trips and adventures. The durable build handles travel wear and tear well. For anyone seeking a compact, stylish camera with reliable performance, the Minolta Slim Travel Camera is an excellent choice for travel photography and video. Travel 4K Content Camera. The Travel 4K Content Camera is perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos on the go. I love the 4K video capabilities for creating cinematic travel content. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry all day without fatigue. Autofocus is fast and precise, even for moving subjects. Battery life supports extended shooting sessions, ideal for long trips. The camera is easy to operate, allowing quick adjustments on the fly. Whether shooting vlogs, landscapes, or city streets, this Travel 4K camera provides excellent image quality and portability, making it perfect for creators and casual travelers alike. 16MP Compact Travel Camera. The 16MP Compact Travel Camera is ideal for travelers looking for simplicity and portability. I love how lightweight and pocket-sized it is, perfect for spontaneous shots during trips. Despite the smaller megapixel count, image quality is crisp with clear colors and sharp details. 1080p video recording captures everyday moments perfectly. Easy-to-use controls allow quick adjustments, and battery life lasts for hours of shooting. It's also durable enough for travel adventures without worry. For anyone seeking a budget-friendly, easy-to-carry camera for trips, the 16MP Compact Travel Camera provides dependable performance without compromising on convenience or portability.
Travel Creator JDZ Camera. Travel Creator JDZ Camera is designed for content creators and travel enthusiasts alike. I love the high-resolution photos and smooth 4K video that make my travel memories look professional. The camera is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. Fast autofocus captures moving subjects effortlessly, and the intuitive controls simplify operation. Battery life is sufficient for multiple shooting sessions, perfect for day-long adventures. Whether vlogging, photographing landscapes, or recording city life, this camera performs consistently. For anyone wanting a versatile, budget-friendly camera with excellent image and video quality, the Travel Creator JDZ is a fantastic choice.
And that wraps up our top 11 best budget travel cameras, perfect for capturing every adventure without breaking the bank. From compact 4K cameras to high-resolution vlogging options, these devices make traveling and documenting memories easier than ever. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.